Have you ever downloaded a massive file, like a Linux ISO, a game mod, or an open source tool, only to find out it's corrupted, or worse, tampered with? Every official download comes with a digital fingerprint called a checksum or hash. If your file's hash matches the developer's hash, it's 100% safe and intact. But opening PowerShell and typing out long, complicated commands just to check a file is annoying. Today, I'm going to show you a free drag-and-drop way to verify MD5, SHA1, and SHA256 hashes for any file on Windows 11 in seconds. The tool we're using today is the Code Signing Toolkit. I've linked the free download in the description below. It's completely offline, has zero telemetry, and doesn't require you to create an account. Just grab the installer, run it, and let's fire it up. As you can see, the interface is incredibly clean. While it's designed for developers to sign executables, it has a built-in feature that makes it the ultimate universal hash checker for everyone. Most hashing tools only care about executable files, but this toolkit acts as a universal file hasher. Let's say you just downloaded a 4 GB Linux ISO. Just drag and drop it right into the Step 2 drop zone. You don't need to open a command prompt or dig through settings. The app accepts literally any file type you throw at it. The exact second you drop the file, the auto-hash generator kicks in. It immediately calculates the MD5, SHA1, and SHA256 checksums. Because the app reads the file in 4 MB chunks in a background thread, even massive multi-gigabyte ISO files are processed lightning fast without freezing the user interface. Within moments, you have the exact digital fingerprint of your file right on your screen. Here is a really smart UI feature I love. Watch what happens when I drop a Windows executable, like an exe or DLL. The drop zone lights up green, telling you it's ready to sign and hash. But if I drop a PDF, an ISO, or a zip, it turns red and says hash only. This is a built-in safety feature. It prevents you from accidentally trying to inject a digital code signature into a file format that doesn't support it, while still giving you the checksums you need. Now, since this is actually a code signing toolkit, if you are a developer and you just compiled that exe, you can do some pretty cool stuff. you can verify its pre-release hash, generate a self-signed certificate right here in Step 1, and click Sign File. Watch this closely. After the app injects the signature, the hashes automatically recalculate in the background. This is perfect for developers who need to instantly grab the new final SHA256 hash to publish on their GitHub releases or website. Verifying file integrity shouldn't require memorizing PowerShell commands. Whether you're a regular user checking a downloaded ISO for safety or a developer managing your release checksums, this free tool makes it effortless. I'll leave the official download link in the description below. If this video saved you time, please hit that like button, subscribe for more Windows development tips, and stay secure out there. See you in the next one.